Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are coming from TikTok, when I tell you I love you guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you for all of the love and the support, Fumi Nation. I am nothing without you, and I'm humble enough to say it. How about that? Why are we here, my darlings? Oh, we are here because we have Kandi, Burruss, and Todd who are going through, unfortunately, a divorce, and I am so sad about it. I really am. I think that when you look at certain couples, you're really happy for them. And so when you hear that they're breaking up, that they're divorcing, you're like, oh my God. And I think it really has a lot to do with us, because we projected that assumption that you guys were the perfect, couple, perfect marriage, perfect everything. Needless to say, let me just get my phone here. A lot is going on. Are you living and loving for the fit? I am going for a meeting. And they're all men. So I like to keep it a certain way. So I'll put it up for you, and then you guys follow me on Like to Know It. I put all of my outfits there for you guys. Cheap. H&M and Zara. So I'll put it up for you. Anywho, Kandi Burruss now accuses ex Todd of not paying child support or spending significant time with the kids. Here's the thing. And I was talking to another Fumi Nation sister who called in for a consultation. Divorce is horrible. Divorce is what? Divorce is horrible. It doesn't work. It doesn't work for anybody. It's breaking up a family. If you think that you're just breaking up with the spouse and you're not breaking up with the children, in many ways you are. I saw something somewhere, maybe if I find it, I'll put it up, where it's now been said, I can't remember what country is doing it, or maybe it's a new way of, co-parenting, where the children stay in the house and it's the parent that moves out for the 3-4 weeks while the other parent comes in and stays with the children, so the children don't have to go from one home to another home. Regardless, it's broken. The marriage has broken the family. And because of that, there's no way we can pretend that this is going to work out completely for the children. Any married couple will tell you, we do it in this home. Sometimes Ula is busy, sometimes I'm busy. It doesn't matter. One of us will drop him off. One of us will pick him up. Sometimes the two of us can, because we are able to, our schedule allows us for that day. Sometimes for the next 3-4 days, we're able to go. Sometimes Ula can go for the parents teachers meeting. Sometimes I can go. Sometimes I'm unable to go. And that's a unit. That's a couple that are very much together. That's a couple that work from home. And still, sometimes we're not able to do it 24/7 to meet all of Adrian's needs that he needs for school, for this, for that. And we are very much here. If one of us is not here, the other one is here. When I came to New York for 3 weeks, Ula was here taking care of Adrian. When Ula went to California for 2 weeks, I was here. Why do I say this? Because Kandi, you also mentioned that he doesn't spend any money, this, that, and the third, and that you were doing it all of yourself. This might be also part of the reason why she might just be like, you know what? I'm the breadwinner. I'm taking care of the kids. I'm the one that, organizes their school holidays and their events or whatever. Todd, I don't need you. So I really don't need you. I really don't want you. Because on top of not needing you, you don't even volunteer and show up as you should. It's not like you got a job right now, so why can't you do A, B, and C? Having said that, again, Kandi is going to be even worse now, because he'll be moving out. So he will not even be there to watch the kids for 2 minutes, for 3 minutes or whatever. He just won't be. You were in the marriage. None of us know. So I can only extend support to you. I can only extend love to you. I can only extend best wishes to you. It's going to be frustrating. You are going to air out private things that we should not hear about, because it really is none of our business. It's none of our business. But it's going to all come out, because this is going to be a warfare. And that is what I don't want it to be for you. When you're in the throes of it, you can't see straight. You're so mad. And then afterwards, you're like, maybe it wasn't even that serious. Maybe we didn't have to go down that route. Todd, if you are being a lazy bum, if you're being a lazy bum, if you have been a lazy bum, and you're not helping around the house, you are never doing it, do it now. Try to get up and do one or two things. Again, it's sad. You might have felt that, you know what, Kandi wasn't this, she wasn't da-da-da-da, she was wearing her hair bonnet, she really wasn't dressing up at home. I don't dress like this at home. I'm only dressed like this because I am filming this episode. I'm going to take everything off, especially once I've finished filming. I don't sit with makeup unless I have another meeting, or of which I do, but I'm going out for this one. But as soon as I get home, I'm not kissing Adrian with all of this makeup on me. I'm not, because he jumps on me all over. I rub my face and everything. I take everything off. I take my bra off. I take my bra off. Yes, I do. And I feel good. I even plait cornrow my hair. And then I put my little bonnet on. Yes, I do. I'm comfortable. You are comfortable. I have every right to be comfortable. That's why I tell Ula, do you have any needs? Do you have any needs while I'm like this? I don't mind. So you can get your fantasy on. You know, I'll meet you halfway, shoot. After that, you know what? Nah, don't bother me. It's real life. And I am seeing that a lot of these celebrities, reality stars, and influencers, they're breaking up because they couldn't keep their marriage under the strain of what they do. Very difficult to have your marriage on a pedestal in the limelight like that, year in, year out. Most relationships don't survive it. And we wish them the best because, you know, they entertain us, they inspire us, you learn. And I'm sorry for Candice, because I've always considered Candice to be real chill. You know, the way she speaks, her mannerisms, she's just really chill. And I thought Todd was the flawlessly perfect match for her. But what do we know? What do we know? And now, you know, constantly in the tabloids, it's one thing after the other about how he was under duress signing the prenuptial agreement, and it's just sad. It's boiling down to money. It's boiling down to being mean, nastiness. It's boiling down to you don't take care of the kids, you don't support the kids, and that is her reality. That's her reality. But divorce, anybody that's thinking about it thinks that divorce is easy. It's not. There's a case going on now of a doctor who broke up with his wife 10 years ago. 10 years ago. She remarried a dentist. She had 2 children. He went into the house with the children and deleted her and her husband. They divorced 10 years ago. You would think that 10 years is more than a long time for you to get over anybody. I am telling you now, I have a Fumi Nation couple, divorced, broke up, divorced. Where are we now? 2026. My God, time flies. separated, broke up 2014. He's still mad. He is still mad. We had a consultation day before yesterday. When I tell you I do so much behind the scenes. Be careful. Be careful, guys. You know, I don't mind doing hot topics, but I'll give you some humble advice. Don't let this thing go all the way to the edge. It's not that necessary. It really is not that necessary. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, my darlings, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. Mwah. All of my love. Are we living and loving, my darlings? Oh, I love it too. This is my go-to, especially when I go for meetings. Maroon by Juvia's Place. The most fabulous lip gloss ever. It cleans up your makeup and you don't need anything else. You really don't. When you're talking about foundation, I love Juvia's Place. It's a perfect match. And you know what I love? Minimum transfer. Absolutely fantastic. And then to set everything off, my darling, none other than the Juvia's Place New Setting Spray. Absolute magic. Do we live, do we love, my darlings? You're good to go. Discount code Fumi.
I think you had the right. I won't take it anymore. I'm fed up with all your lies. You keep asking for forgiveness. Get ready for a big surprise. I'ma make you feel this one. I'm not sorry. You're such a bad liar. In no hurry, I put your clothes on fire. And I'm not sorry. The flames keep climbing higher, burning in the night. I put your clothes on fire. I put your clothes on fire. I'm throwing out your kids with a
Guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking.
Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Some of you might know when I started having my meet and greets, the first meet and greet that I ever had was at OPV Beauty's beauty salon. And I have loved their products. I have loved their brand ever since. Anyway, my darlings, we have for OPV Beauty your portable beauty stand where you can put all of your makeup and all of your stuff together. It's like a roll-on suitcase and it's the most beautiful color. It's a wonderful rose gold pink. So you just take it up like this and you can just roll it out. It's so perfect when you're traveling. It's so perfect when you're going for your events and stuff. You just have it like so. Put it on a chair. You're good to go. So let us open it. And please do not forget, my darlings, to use my discount code. Oh, look at the sensationalism of it all. A mirror here. And then, my darlings, just look. It lifts out and you have your makeup tray over here. Is this not gorgeous? Look at how fabulous this is. And then you have a tray here where you can put in all of your lipsticks. I am living and loving. You can put in your makeup brushes. And then look at this fabulous vanity brush, of which you can use for your foundation and smooth it over. I really wanted to display it for you and see how it looks so that you guys can go to their website and get it. It was £600. It's now what? So you have to absolutely what? Go and get yours. All of my loves, my darlings, and I hope you enjoy your treat. Don't forget to use Fumi all across the website at OPV Beauty. Mwah! All of my love.